Hello, hello. Today I'm bringing you how to activate Google Authentication for your web application. So let's begin. First of all, you're gonna go into Console Cloud Google. You're gonna go on the top left corner of the window. There you can start a new project if you didn't do it yet. Enter your project's name. If you have an organization, you can enter the details there. Otherwise, you can just create without no organization. Now you can just go into Quick Access APIs and Services. Once in there, you can go into credentials directly. Once in credentials, you can configure a new constant. You select OAuth Client ID. Once you get started, you just follow step by step. It's pretty straightforward. Enter the app name or website or contact at yourdomain.com. Then for your audience, you want to select external if it's for clients or internal if you only want to give access to your employees. Contact information, you can put the exact same email than you had before. To finish, you just agree, continue. So once your project is done, you can create a new client. For this case, we are using web application. The name of your app. Authorize redirects URLs. So add URL. It's as simple as copy and paste the localhost 3000 and your domain. It's going to be the URLs that have access to your authentication client. I continue, and that's it. You go into your project, and then on the top right corner, you have client ID, and underneath you have a client secret. And then later, you're going to add it to your env variables from Vercel. So as you can see, it's not so complicated, but if you don't know where you're going, it can be overwhelming. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. And then in our case, we're going to use authorized redirect, authorized redirect.